Instead of kissing someone, this is so good. So good. If your lips are virgin, you train with this snail curry, and you will be pro in kissing. Hello, today we are going to cook snail curry, potato, and these all ingredients. I just add the snail, jangles, tharoy, and adding alus, and adding lime leaf, and then ginger garlic onion, and then what is this? Wild coriander titiwa. Then adding salt, and then we are going to add water. Okay, now let's start cooking. Yeah, until meal sit done, very not nice. After cooking, I just remove it, potato and snail, and we are going to refry it again with fermented fish, king chili, and this is the soup. Okay, I'm just adding garlic, ginger, onion, fermented fish, king chili, coriander leaf, salt, and turmeric powder, chili powder, and mixing. Yay, smells good. I'm just adding the boiled snail, mixing, and then I smash the potato and add the water. Ooh, nice. Mix. After mixing, I just add the soup and close the lid and just cook for a minute. And ooh, very nice. It's already ready to eat. I'm starving. Smells good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you see, today we're going to have snail kiss curry from some
Oh no.
kiss curry from Hilo. Okay, we have kiss curry. Here we got aloo, potato, and egg, and the soup. Bitter gourd, cucumber, tomato, lime, basil, green chili, salt, water, and empty bowl for keeping the cover. Anyway, before starting, let's pray. Amen. Bon appetit. I'm so hungry.
Oh no.
Okay. Sabzi da chok ngaya. Ita yan amla. Wait. Yo, kebuto lek deh. My boo also. Kebuo nu ya Kemiya chung to hak sa may tay. Okay, let's make for our first bite. Ting. Kamatch deh sung ng pipilo mungkit. Okay. Kaboy thôi tung ito. First bite. Thở được không?
Hmm. Yummy. Hmm. Katable na kili ko. Instead of kissing someone, this is so good. Good guy. So good. Pantay. If your lips are virgin, you train with this snail curry. Oh no! And you will be pro in kissing.
What?
Hang me later. Sorry. Whenever I feel spicy, my nostrils started running. Kasi kanya masak ako kabuno yung mukha. This is so good. Ooh. I love potato because I'm potato. Sotuk. It's almost full. Finish. Sorry about my nose. Yeah. This is so good. Oh, I'm so full now. Let's end it here because our food is over. Only the bitter and lime and chili is left. This is it. Okay, let's end it here. I hope you like my video and keep supporting and hit the like button and subscribe. If you are still not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, if not, I'm gonna kill you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.